Good morning, Dave here with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. This is a February 23rd short show. I'm going to show you my winter sown cilantro and broccoli starting to sprout. Okay, here's my winter sown container, and I might not have been clear about this in the past videos, but you have to give it drainage holes or air holes in the top so the heat can get out and so that the rain and moisture can get in. But it still gives a greenhouse effect even with those. If you can see through there, there's some cilantro coming up and some weeds, which I didn't plant. So that's the cilantro, and here is the broccoli. It's a little hard to get a picture through the holes, but you can sort of tell that they're sprouting. Looks like they're sprouting pretty nice. Here's ones that are outside that did sprout also, but they are getting eaten by something. So the little covers are protecting them from getting eaten, as well as helping them to sprout. Let's see, I did plant some cilantro outside the shell, outside the covers too, and you can see them there. They've sprouted, but they are a little bit behind the ones inside. Maybe a lot behind the ones inside. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.